Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 61 Reading Simple Emails. Today we will practice reading simple emails. Emails are part of daily life. We use them for school, work, and family. First, let us remember the parts of an email. Subject line, this tells us what the email is about. Greeting, this is how the email starts, like hello or dear. Body, this is the main message. Closing, this is how the email ends, like thank you or best regards. One morning Vikram opens his laptop. He sees a new email in his inbox. The subject is meeting tomorrow. The email says, Hello Vikram. We have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Please bring the report with you. Best regards. Mr. Sharma. Vikram smiles. He now knows the time and what to bring. Later, Alka also checks her email. She sees a message from her sister Sheetal. Subject, dinner on Sunday. Dear Alka, can you come to my house for dinner on Sunday evening? Arav and Sachi are also welcome. Please let me know. Love. Sheetal. Alka feels happy. She calls the children and tells them about the dinner invitation. In the afternoon, Sachi checks her school email. She reads this message. Subject, science homework. Dear students, please complete the science project by Friday. Bring your charts to class. Thank you. Mrs. Rao. Sachi understands she must finish her project before Friday. She starts planning. Arav also checks his email. He sees one from the sports club. Subject, football practice. Hello Arav. Football practice is on Saturday at 4 p.m. Bring your water bottle and shoes. See you soon. Coach. Arav is excited. He tells his mother that he needs clean shoes ready for Saturday. Now let us look at useful words we often see in emails. Subject, the title of the email. Reply, to answer an email. Inbox, the place where new emails come. Attachment, a file sent with the email. Forward, to send the email to another person. Fill in the blanks. The subject line tells us of the email, topic closing. Answer. The subject line tells us the topic of the email. We write at the start of the email, greeting subject. Answer. We write greeting at the start of the email. The word means to answer an email, reply forward. Answer. The word reply means to answer an email. The place where new emails come is called the inbox file. Answer. The place where new emails come is called the inbox. We use to send the same email to another person. Forward subject. Answer. We use forward to send the same email to another person. Reading challenge. Here is an email Arav reads. Subject, library books. Dear Arav, please return your library books by Thursday. Thank you. Librarian. What do we understand? Arav must return his books on Thursday. Here is another email Sachi reads. Subject, birthday party. Dear Sachi, please come to my party on Friday at 6 p.m. Best. Ananya. What do we understand? Ananya is inviting Sachi to her party on Friday evening. Now let us practice useful phrases for emails. I hope you are well. Please let me know. Thank you for your email. See you soon. Best regards. These are short and polite. Wrap up. Today we learned how to read simple emails. We saw the main parts. We read many examples. We practiced useful words, fill in the blanks, and short reading challenges. Keep practicing. Read real emails in your life. The more you read, the better you will understand. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And leave a comment about what kind of emails you read most often.